Morning everyone. Got a nasty project today, and I don't typically do intros anymore, but I figured I'd show you what we're doing, just because it's a unique project that you don't get into too much. So we had a windstorm about 2 winters ago now. This is a blue spruce, and basically this tree, I don't know if you can see that, but has uprooted. You can see the soft pockets here. So it's heaved about 2 years ago. So it's going to be a matter of taking a big top out of it, not taking any lower branches off so we can maintain that weight, and then felling the rest of it. Just because it's not a very safe tree, but unfortunately we can't get a bucket truck anywhere close to it.